Hello dear students, today we will learn about use of some tools of Photoshop. So Photoshop window is opened. Now you click on file menu, then click on the open option and then the browse window will come. There you can select a picture. Suppose we want to select the picture of suppose this elephant. So the picture is arrived here. Now you can see that in the picture elephant is there and grasslands are there. Now you want to select only the animal, the elephant. So you click on this crop tool. You can see I have moved the mouse pointer on the tools bar and you can see a crop tool is there. You click on the crop tool. When you click the crop tool, you can see the option is coming. Now you just press the left mouse key, and you just keep pressing the left mouse button and you just drag your mouse. Then you select the particular part and release the mouse, and you can see the particular part of the picture or image is selected. As this part is selected, you can press enter. I have pressed enter and automatically the picture is cropped. My dear student, you can see the picture is automatically cropped, and you can see the picture has come at the center of Photoshop window. So this is the way you can just crop a particular part of the picture. Now you want to cut the elephant body according to its age. So how you can do it? You can just click on this part which is called lasso tool. You can go to the magnetic lasso tool. It is very important tool of Photoshop. You click on the magnetic lasso tool and then you come here. You just see multiple options are coming. So now you come here and you first do the left click. So now you can see that the elephant picture is automatically started selecting. You can see just we are moving the mouse pointer on the edge of the animal body, that means the elephant body, and the mouse is selecting the age of the animal automatically. You have to just move your mouse pointer carefully on the edge of the animal, that means the elephant body, and automatically, and after moving a particular section, you just click it. You can see we are moving the mouse pointer according to the edge of the elephant body. After that we are just doing the left click of the mouse, and you can see that the elephant part of the image is getting selected according to the age of the elephant. So this is the way you can just do it. And when you are moving your mouse pointer, you just press the left button key after a certain time, and you can see that the elephant part of the entire image is selected, and you can see the selected part of the image is highlighting. So this part will be cut. So how? So now you just press this move tool. This is the move tool, and you just press the move tool here and just move it. So you can see the mouse is moving accordingly. The cut part of the image is moving. So now you can press Ctrl X, then the part which you have cut has gone. Now you can do one thing. You can open another picture. Suppose we are opening another picture. Let me select another picture. Suppose we are selecting this picture only. No, this picture will not work. So suppose we are opening this picture. Now in this picture you press Ctrl V, and you can see that the picture is added. You can see the cut part of the picture is added. This is the one way you can cut a particular part of an image and you can add that particular image into another image. It's looking like this. The elephants are moving through and the fox is staring at the elephant. So this is a very interesting part of Photoshop where you can cut a particular part of an image and you can paste it into another image. So this you can do. Another thing you can do that I'm telling you, just we need to close this thing. We will not save it. We will open another Photoshop window. So here we will open another picture, dear students. Suppose this picture of cheetah, the fastest animal. Now dear students, we will do the same thing. We will right click on lasso tool. We will go to magnetic lasso tool. After that, dear students, we will just do the first left click of mouse in one part of the image and we will move our mouse pointer according to the edge of the body of cheetah within the image, and after moving some time we are doing the left click, and this is how we are moving the mouse pointer, and you can see the edge of the cheetah is getting selected. So you can see that I'm doing this part and the edge of the cheetah is getting selected. You can see this part. And you can see the selected part of the body of cheetah is selected. Now you can do one thing. You can click on move tool and you can separate the selected part from the original picture. You can see you have already cut the part from the original picture. So now you want to paste this part into another image. How you can? You just cut it with the Control X. You can press Control X. I have pressed Control X and the selected part is cut. Now you can bring another picture. I'm just bringing another picture. Suppose we want to bring the another picture. Suppose this part, this picture we have added. Now you press Ctrl V. You press Ctrl V and you can see that this is selected. Now you can press it here and it's looking like that the deers are going and the cheetah is staring at the deers. So like this you can create an image merging up the part of another image with the particular image. So this is the way you can use the magnetic lasso tool to cut a particular part of an image according to its age. So this much for today. Thank you, dear students.